welcome back. In this video, we're talking about interest. Now, as I did the research for this study, I came across many verses on interest. To be honest, most of them were about the interest due when a debt is being repaid. But this one is the one I wanted to focus on because we will be talking about debt later on. So this verse is found in Luke 19:23. It actually comes out of the parable of the talents. God is speaking, and he says in verse 23, "Why then did you not put my money in the bank, and at my coming I might have collected it with interest?" Collecting interest first will only happen if there is an investment of some sort. Interest is attracted to a profitable investment. So this is an important concept, guys, because I really believe that there is a profit mandate within the Bible, that God has entrusted us with some gifts and talents and resources, and he expects us to do something to have a gain on it. But similarly, when we come in contact with money, when we have access to money and we're being good stewards, one of the things that we should be doing with money is investing it so that we can earn profitable interest. We can gain an interest and have an expansion. I truly believe that this is a true realm of abundance. Profit, the realm of profit, a gain on what you had, is the true realm of abundance. But I also want to caution you that I really believe that God has a mandate on us to do something with what he has entrusted us, even at the very minimum. Invest it at even the very minimum so that it does gain an interest. So one of the ways we access money and we interact with money is through interest. And this was one of the verses that I chose for this study because it was one of the few that talked about earning interest. And I really want you to focus on the fact that God has an expectation of us to have a gain on what he has invested in us. And similarly, if you're being a good steward of what God has invested in you, you will be looking for an interest gain on your expenditure of time, energy, academics, whatever you're spending out. You should be looking to spend your energy and resources in a way that it brings back a gain. Catch you in the next video and we will look at debt.